A look inside SK Khoza's action-packed 2022, leaked bedroom videos, public fights and drug abuse allegations. SK Khoza had an action-packed year and was top-trended for the wrong reasons on social media. From being fired from the Queen, leaking adult bedroom videos, public fights and baby mama's drama. He is now among the bad boys of Mzansi celebrities, and the actor seems to care less about what people think about him. He has been making headlines throughout 2022 for different reasons. Rumors say he is one of the most searched South African celebrities in 2022 on Google. Here is a closer look inside SK Khoza's action-packed year 2022. Leaked bedroom videos. SK Khoza took social media by storm in July after his bedroom video went viral. The actor shared a video of himself across his social media platforms, and Mzansi was utterly shaken. His video shows him and a mysterious and unidentified female sharing oral intimacy. As he was busy doing his thing, he was facing away from the camera. After the sex video went viral, the actor apologized to his fans for posting such content and admitted that he was under the influence of drugs. However, in September, he leaked another video, jeopardizing his name and career. Viral public fights. SK Khoza topped the trends in April 2022 after his video fighting publicly went viral. In the viral video, SK Khoza was a heavenly drunk trying to take the man head-on. He went around the premises without wearing shoes shouting, "Do you know me?" A security officer had to intervene in the brawl to ease the situation. Onlookers could be heard lashing out at SK Khoza's lousy behavior. The video was shared with entertainment commentator Film Fila. Baby mama drama. SK Khoza has many baby mamas, and his failed relationship with his ex-fiancée Ayanda Longwane was laced with abuse allegations, arrests and legal battles. Ayanda has shared messages between the former couple and images showing the injuries she allegedly suffered at the hands of SK, as well as legal papers from SK's lawyer asking for mediation, explaining why she dropped the charges. Taking to Instagram, Ayanda wrote, "I only dropped the charges because he asked for mediation. My lawyer was communicating with me and told me I'll go to court only when I'm needed, and that was when I went to sign that I agree for the mediation." However, SK Khoza went on and did an Instagram live and updated his fans that Ayanda was lying, he is not an abusive man. He also said he is hurt that someone he once loved is accusing him of things he never did. Drug abuse allegations. SK Khoza won the Drama Queen of the Year 2022 at the Feather Awards, and he truly deserves the recognition. He made headlines after he was immediately fired from Kings of Joburg, a film owned by Ferguson Films. Rumors have it that he was fired from the series as he was reporting to work under the influence of drugs. He was also said to have fought with his manager at Ferguson Films. Musa Kawula reported. Musa Kawula at Musa Kawula. On Friday, SK Khoza physically assaulted his manager Sunil. SK Khoza had a gig in Swaziland that he failed to show up for. As a result of his drug use and the assault case opened by Sunil at Santan police station saw, he failed to keep to his commitment. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news and entertainment.